have Celestia and Fluttershy and Twilight and Poopa. Oops, I dropped. And here's Twilight with fast wings. She doesn't come with a remote control, yo. And these are two Mrs. Cakes. Yay! This Mrs. Cakes has blue eyes, and this Mrs. Cakes doesn't have the same eyes than this small Mrs. Cakes. Anyways, so now we have Twilight Treats. She is a really cute one. That's doing it adorable. Okay, and then we got the two baddies, and we have Diamond Tiara and Silver Spoon. And why is her name called Silver Spoon anyways? Well, she comes with a necklace, and it's around her neck. And Diamond Tiara does come with a little crown that isn't removable. And I need to wash my hands.